A business analyst is not hired to write documents. A business analyst is hired to solve business problem. In this video, I will take you through to a real world hospital problem and show you exactly how the BA analyzes it, gathers requirement, create user stories, and designs a solution. So what is the current problem over here? A hospital receives complaints. Patient wait time is 45 plus minutes before seeing a doctor. So when a customer comes, he has to wait for a long time before any doctor is available to see, which is kind of a frustration for a patient. Appointment cancellations are too high. Reception team manually manages the schedule, so there's no automation here. Doctors have uneven workloads, and I'm presuming doctors might also call sick as well, so there might be a possibility that we have less doctors. Patient satisfaction scores are decreasing. So because of the satisfaction score, people or customers or patient doesn't want to come to this particular clinic. So what is the business goal? So overall, when you understand the current problem, we understand that we need to provide a solution. We need to cut down the time over here, reduce patient waiting time by 30% and improve patient experience. So as soon as the waiting time will going to reduce, the customers or the patient will be happier. So what will be step one in case when you are a business analyst, how you will understand the business problem over here? Create business statement document. So what is the business problem over here? As I said on the previous slide, the hospital appointment process is inefficient, causing long wait times and poor customer satisfaction here. What is the impact? We lost patients because when they come, they wait for too long. They don't come the next time. They probably go to a next clinic. Lower revenue as less patients are coming, staff frustration that they're frustrated because of uh, people waiting too long. They're coming to the front desk again and again and asking, and the front desk people can't do anything because they have less staff in terms of doctors and others, so the patients has to wait. Business objective over here will be improve scheduling process, reduce wait time for the customers or the patients, and increase operational efficiency. So manual appointment schedule and others that needs to be automated or needs to be improved in some way or another. Being a business analyst, we have to identify the stakeholders over here. So we have to do the stakeholder analysis. We will create a table. So the stakeholder will be hospital management, which are the sponsor over here, reduce cost. Their need is to reduce the cost. Stakeholders will be the doctors, who are the end user because they are seeing the patients. They need the better schedules. Reception team, which are the users, easy appointment management. So every stakeholder has their role and they have the need over here. Patients are customers, faster service they need. And IT team, solution provider over here, they have to build a system so they can make all the stakeholders happy over here. Think about, for any project or any organization, they have to make sure the members or the customers are happy because they generate the revenue with the help of the returning members, returning customers. One time customer, one time member will not going to generate them anything, so they have to make sure they have everything. They have clean location, they have scheduling system which is working well, they have the reception team which is very smiling, always make sure, always gives a personal touch to the members or the customers. So we will need to conduct a requirement gathering session over here. BA techniques which can be used are interviews. So we can have interviews with different doctors or the front team who schedules the appointment. We might do a workshops. We might do an observation session as well, where we go to the interviews and other. We just observe what the stakeholders are talking about, write down all the pain points they want. If the organization has some kind of member surveys which they filled out after waiting for 45 plus minutes. The sample questions can be for doctors. If we are doing a one-on-one interview, how do you currently manage your appointments? For reception, it will be what challenges do you face while scheduling? Like, do you get too many calls for you? For when you are making, how long you stay on the call? What kind of questions do you ask to your members before you schedule an appointment? For doctors, will be how currently they are managing the appointments, how is the workload, do they have to jump very quickly between patients, do they get some time to relax as well or not. For patients will be what causes frustration during your visit, like what is the top pain point for you when you're visiting a doctor at this particular location. Step 4 will be analyze current process, how the things are working as is. So create a process flow diagram or process flow. For example, patient calls, reception checks availability, manual appointment entry system. So there's nothing automation. If there's an automation, the members will get an automation SMS or email. Patient arrives maybe late because they didn't got the right notification. Waits for doctor is too long. Identify pain points. Manual scheduling, which is a pain point for reception desk. No appointment reminders are sent to the members. Overbooking, sometimes because it's manual we don't realize we overbook. And no real time availability. Design future process, what we want the future application to look like, or how this we want the system to perform, so that everyone life becomes easier. New process will be patient books online, so they don't call. The front desk will not have too many calls. System checks availability. Appointment confirmation is done. The customer gets a email confirmation, SMS confirmation. They also get a SMS reminder one day before the appointment. The doctors have their own dashboard to manage the patients and patient visit. And after the patient visit, the patient had their own portal to check their status of if they have done any test, blood test or anything, and how the visit came out. Like, do they have regular results, or is there anything needs to be taken care of? Step 6, as a business analyst, will be as you know the problems, now we need to create the requirements. So, function requirement example will be function requirement first will be the system shall allow patients to schedule appointment online. So, as a member, I can go online and I can schedule an appointment myself. I might need to create a register myself onto the portal, or maybe to provide more flexibility and more better accessibility to the members, we can provide them book an appointment just as as a guest customer, as a guest user. Function requirement 2, the system shall send appointment confirmation notification as soon as the appointment is done, and they should also send reminders as well. Function requirement 3 will be the system shall allow doctors to view daily schedule. So once a doctor comes to the work, they can see their daily schedules, so they can be prepared to see the customers or the patient. Here, the non-function requirements will be, for example, system availability 99.9%. So when a member goes to book an appointment, the system doesn't crash. Response time is less than 3 seconds, so every page loads within the next 3 seconds. Data security compliance. We have to make sure when the member puts all the data, then their data is secure with us. Now, as a BA, we have to start creating user stories. So the first will be the Epic, which is the bigger chunk of work, patient appointment management system. Underneath that one, we will create a couple of features. The feature will be online appointment booking. So in this way, we will be able to provide the members with an online appointment booking system where they can go and book an appointment. Under the feature, there will be multiple user stories. So the first will be, as a patient, I want to book an appointment online so that I can avoid waiting on phone calls. And I can do from my phone, I can do from my laptop. The acceptance criteria for this user story will be given patient is logged in. When a patient selects available slots, then the appointment should be confirmed. So this is a very small example or very easy example of this case study. Now the business analyst will need to create Jira tickets. So in Jira, they have to go and create an Epic hospital appointment system. Feature will be appointment booking, and the stories will be create patient registration so that they can do an online booking for themselves. Search doctors, book an appointment, cancel an appointment, reschedule an appointment, like that. So these are all user stories which will make sure that these are all the stories which will make sure that the feature is complete. And once the feature is complete, the epic is complete. The bug example where here will be the appointment confirmation email not received. So when the developer is working on that and QA is tester, maybe a bug came out that appointment confirmation email is not being received by the members. So they will create a bug around that one. Step 9 will be the solution recommendation. As a business analyst will going to provide recommendations like solution, develop a patient appointment management system with online booking system, doctor availability, automated reminders, analytics dashboard. So these are all the things which as a business analyst you will recommend. So for an online booking, a member can come and book it. Doctor availability, he's can easily able to check and he can decide which doctor he wants to see. The automated reminders should be sent to the members, and analytics dashboard for the members. Now we'll be talking about how a business analyst will define the success metrics over here. A BA should measure the success once he do all this works. Before, average wait time was 45 minutes. Appointment cancellation was 20%. After implementation, the target is wait time got reduced to 20 minutes and cancellation reduced by 50%. So this is one of the case study I wanted to discuss with my viewers to make them understand how a business analyst actually works. So they get a problem, they gather the requirement, they create epics, features, user story, then they make it work with their development team. So once a user story has been created, you bring the user story to the refinement, grooming, planning. If you have not seen my another video on sprint refinement, sprint planning, sprint grooming, you can definitely go on my YouTube channel and check different scenario. I mean, say the Scrum scenario or Scrum ceremonies. I will say not the scenarios, Scrum ceremonies. So please go and watch the YouTube video on that one. Thank you so much. Your support means a world to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment. If you want me to create another video on any other topic, please leave a comment and I will definitely going to create it. Thank you so much for being here.